I am Dharmendra Pandey. I am Tech first semester student in IT department at NIT Raipur. Today I am discussing the remote method invocation that is called RMI. RMI is used in Java, or RMI is especially used in Java. So RMI is an API that allows an object to invoke a method on an object that exists in another address space which would be on the same machine or the remote machine. The concept is like the RPC, remote procedure call, and the RMI is specialized or is used in the Java programming only, which is implemented using a Java. So while we are using RMI, it follows the concept in the as like in the RPC. In the RMI we have also two things, in the client side and in the server side. In the server side, a skeleton object is created which handle the server request. Which handle the server side, and at the client side, stub object is created which handle the client machine's JVM, and which used to request or to connect with the server. So in the client side stub, and in the server side skeleton object, which make easier for us to establish the connection. After understanding it, we will move here. While implementing RMI, we have 4 type of classes here: the search.java, searchquery.java, searchserver.java, and clientrequest.java. This is the interface which implemented here, and this search query we used in the server program, and then from the client side we request to the server side. So actually we just come to the code directly. This is the interface we have created, and we are using the I am using the RMI package and extending the remote, because it is an interface and I need to implement it here in the searchquery.java. With the help of, I again imported the necessary library. This code is, and this is extending this and implementing the search we have created here. So in the search query we are calling the supraclass of constructor, and this is the method which we are calling from the client side, and actually this we are creating here, and in the server machine we are call it here. We are calling this object of this class, and first step is to register or a particular port number where it will listen to the client. This is from client machine through the stub object. So we are creating a skeleton. We are creating a skeleton object here, and after locating the registry with the help of rewind, we are giving the another name to this address. This is internal process, so how it is handling we don't know. The object I have passed it. This object is the same which I have created of this class, search query class, and I have passed to it. And this object, when we seeing here, we are using it here in the client side. In the client side, we have created a value here, and we have given some value, and in the client side we are again looking with the same path which we are defined in the here in the rewind method. So it will search here, and this is our calling method. So we are passing our value to the query, and where from is query coming, this is the access, this is the access is the object which has the access to the this, and this object is the object of this class, which ultimately using the query method. So here this query method comes from here. It is kept, it is imported, or we are creating object of this search query class, and its method is kept here, which we are calling from the client side, this one. So this will, we are passing a value which is called RMI in Java. It will go here and it will check whether the whatever value we are passing, it is equal to RMI in Java. If it is equal to Java, it will return the in the result found equals to found, and it will return to the client machine. Okay, if it is not equal, it will then give the not found. And in the client, at the client side, we are taking its value in the answer. So we printed it here, and this is the client side, and we, after calling from the server, we just get the output. This, and now I will execute this thing here. I will open into terminal. The content of my directory is this. I first compile all these Java programs. It will take few times. We again see the content of all the classes bytecode are generated. Now we will run the server. Yes, this one, we just need to run this. It is seen that it is not working, but it is actually listening. We have not given any output here for the server side. Now we will run in the client side. We first see the content of our directory. Sorry, yeah, we have classes, so I will just run Java. A client request class, we have our bytecode. Yeah, this is the program for RMI in Java, and this found is coming from this server, and we have given the value RMI in Java. This is hard coded totally, and this value we have passed to the client, and it matched at the server, and the found we pack in the answer, and this is also hard code. So in this way, the Java the RMI is implemented in Java. It is like the RPC, but RMI is specialized in Java, using the Java. So thank you for attention. I'm just closing.